Hello guys, today we'll be solving LeetCode problem number 3658, that is GCD of odd and even sums. In this problem we are given an integer n and our task is to compute GCD, that is greatest common divisor of sum of first n odd integers and sum of first n even integers. This is the example test case. N is given as 4 and our output is also 4. This you have to remember, sum of first n odd integers is always n square and sum of first n even integers is always n into n plus 1. To solve this problem we have two approaches. The first approach is the mathematical one. So let's begin the first approach. GCD of n square and n into n plus 1. We take n as common. Then we'll get n into GCD of n comma n plus 1. Here we know that GCD of n and n plus 1 is always 1. Let's take an example. GCD of 2 comma 3, where 2 is our n and 3 is n plus 1, gives us 1. Another example, GCD of 5 comma 6, that is also 1. So let the value of n be anything. If you take GCD of n and n plus 1, it will always give us 1. So we'll substitute this 1 here and we'll get n into 1, which will give us n. So we just return n, which satisfies the test case, that is n is 4 and our output is also 4. And the second approach is normal approach, where we use library functions. We import math and we return math.gcd n square and n into n plus 1, which will give us the answer. But it is always better to know the mathematical approach too, because in some platforms or in interviews they might ask you to use the mathematical approach, or they might tell you to not use the library functions. So that's it for today's question. If you have any doubts, please do let me know in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe daily LC for your daily dose of LeetCode shorts. Thank you.